The notion that every whiskey must be at least 12 years old to be appreciated is a common understanding among whiskey drinkers everywhere. However, a company is willing to prove it wrong. This whiskey is only 2 years from the 12-year mark, but it is growing in popularity. Enter Glencairn. This 10-year-old malt is 86 proof and a very pale gold bar. It has a lingering fragrance of peat and a grassy meadow that ends slightly sweet. Its body is light to medium and is considered well-rounded plain malt. In the end, it remains dry and carries a hint of ginger. Initially formed in 1837 by a farmer, this malt has some history. The original owner of the distillery sold it to another farmer who used it as a cattle shed and sawmill. This property was again sold in 1880 and returned to its original intention of making fine malt just in time for the whiskey boom in the 1890s. This unique malt will be appreciated by the new and revered by old malt enthusiasts. Most excellent Scottish distillers sell barrels of their products as a whole for blending purposes and to private buyers. Usually, the distiller name will be placed on a mixed outcome, but not on the logo. This is an indication that the product is mixed and not a malt. Most independent bottling companies bottle products from individual barrels and may or may not be from the original bottling source. Currently, many renowned distillers are trying to end the open market for bottling operations, as this is hurting their overall sales. Some malt companies will incorporate more than one batch of whiskey into the sale of barrels to ensure that independent bottlers sell it as a single malt product. Many independent bottlers will use only one geographical region or a distiller's alias to avoid legal repercussions. This method of legal infiltration is known as bastard jam. Either way, the Scottish Malt Whisky Society can still trace the product by the distiller's number.